A sweeper invented the microscope, but he is a sweeper. He had no money to travel. That sweeper's name is Leeuwenhoek. We all have seen the microscope, but not many know the unknown story behind it. Today I will try to highlight the unknown story in this video. 40s of the 17th century. A teenager stands in an eyeglass shop in Delft, the Netherlands. Shop workers make glasses by grinding glass. That's what the boy sees with his mind. Who knows what fun. The boy's father died a few years ago. Financial situation is very bad, so he took a job in a grocery store without finishing school. Mine is little. In the meantime, a municipal job was added. Not a big job, but a sweeper job. What is the way to run the stomach? The boy saw a glass cut in a glasses shop and understood something. If you rub a piece of glass and raise the middle, it becomes a lens. Small things look big when seen through it. The boy thought of making this thing himself at one point. Understandably, the glass can be polished and refined to make a better lens. After returning home, the boy really rubs the glass and makes the lens. Better lenses than the eyeglass store. Looking through that lens, the genie looks 200 or 300 times bigger. The boy's enthusiasm increases. He makes better lenses. The lens is attached to the head of a hollow tube made of copper sheet. A microscope is made, and an incredible world of small animals opens up in front of the boy. In the beginning, what was found in front of him was kept under the microscope. The boy is getting older, but the addiction of the microscope did not leave him. He made lenses by rubbing glass, and each made about 400 microscopes. One day, what he thought, he put water under the microscope and started the experiment, and just like that, the door of another amazing animal world opened. Horrible creatures are moving around in that one drop of water. A revolution in medicine took place without his knowledge. Later, in the hands of Edward Jenner and Louis Pasteur, that world continued to grow. The man observes small things, and keeps them in the ledger. He did not think it would be useful in the future. Perhaps self-observation would be beneficial. He still sweeps. So he may not have understood that it is a scientific discovery. One of them said, if this matter is told to the people of the Royal Society of London, then maybe they will understand its meaning. But he is a sweeper. He had no money to travel from one country to another. So he collected the address of the Royal Society and wrote a letter to the scientists there. The scientists of the Royal Society did not want to take it into account, but not everyone is the same. Some emphasized that in the meantime, Leeuwenhoek sent 26 microscopes to the Royal Society scientists. The Royal Society was then the heart of the scientific world. If a discovery is not recognized by them, it is difficult to survive in the world of science. This time the Royal Society scientists got the microscope. There is nothing wrong with checking. Some scientist looked into the tube of the machine and saw that everything the sweeper had told so far was true. So he was made a member of the Royal Society. Only the world's leading scientists can become members of this society. So the honor of the sweeper increased a lot. Even the King of Russia and the Queen of England went to the small town of Delft to meet him. He stepped into his dilapidated hut. That sweeper's name is Leeuwenhoek, who has gone down in history as the inventor of the telescope.